Let's make this world border free. This video is especially for all the leaders of each country who are serving their nations diligently, best to their abilities to make them happy, give them their rights. With the help of this video, I would seek your attention and request you to make this world border free. I request all the head of states to come together, join your heads, and restructure your policies for people of this planet. Border free does not mean remove the barriers, remove the borders, and remove immigration counters, but to consider every human being equally, despite being their difference in culture, religion, color, gender, their continent. Every human being should be treated equally. The reason is nobody has chosen their country they're born in, the color they're born with, the parents they're born with, their gender, anything they did not choose. So why we are discriminating every human being by their colors, by their religions, by their looks? Isn't it something against the humanity? If it's a matter of making economy healthy and making money for the country, then we can make money from tourism than war. Tourism is something great for every single country to add value in economy than discriminating people. When we discriminate, we don't welcome people. If we welcome people, why not from all the countries? This is my question. We can make money from different businesses. We can make money from creating different opportunities. We can make money from toll, taxes. There are so many things better than war. If security is the matter, then I don't think anything can be taken place without internal involvement of any country, of any city. So security is not the issue for any country. If they want to control, with the help of tourism, every country can grow from where they are to the place they want to reach in future. This is the shortest, best, as well as the cleanest way to reach where we want to reach or we want to take our countries. Let's accept every human being, embrace them, and consider them as special as we are. We have an amazing example of Europe, where more than 30 countries, people of more than 30 countries can travel with freedom. No question or secession, no border, no security, no barrier. Can't we make this entire world as Europe? If we look behind their history, they used to fight a lot. There was a world war. But now they're living like this. Nothing happened in past. Can't we consider this entire world as Europe so we can open borders and people can travel freely? And you all know normal people has nothing to do with crimes or unrest which is being taken place in different part of the world. Common person has nothing to do with that. If we will not make this world a better place, who will do it? Now, there is no country on this planet which cannot be reached in less than 24 hours. Then why don't we consider this world as a global village? It's very easy. We can do it. Let's give a try. Let's give a try. And we will see this world a better place. And when the tourism is involved in economies of different countries, you will see every country will prosper. This life is so short. Why we are wasting with wars, with hatred, with discriminations? It's in our control. The people, especially who are holding their positions, they are running big countries. For them is to accept other human beings as well.